Here gonna be the snow, and I'm gonna try to get stuck with the quattro. Not gonna shovel anything, snowbank or anything. Just gonna go pump up the suspension, get an extra inch of ground clearance, and see if I get stuck. But yeah, that's what we've got so far, and it's still pouring down pretty heavily. So just a normal snowfall. Whee! I hate this thing. It's so ugly. Yay! Another problem. This is why you buy a hydrostatic transmission and not one of these, but this is a 94. I guess it's allowed to break, so yeah, I need another keyway to put in there and lock the gear back on the shaft, because right now got no drive. So I wonder how that happened, because it used to work just fine. Started for the winter, for the summer, and then pulled it out. Problem. So let's pull this this clip out. I guess I'll be able to slide the gear over here, put a new keyway, and put it all back together. Back together. Here we go. Pin here, right where I can drop it and lose it forever. And then I should be able to move this one. Hopefully I got enough room before I get to the end of this shaft. What happened with this one? It's yeah, I guess I'm gonna remove this wheel, slide the shaft instead. Right, these are the bearings, what's left of them anyways. And I can do this. Maybe I can see. Here it is. So what I need is a half moon keyway. I don't know the dimensions, but that's what I need. So alright, so of course the availability of Woodruff keys around here is not the best, especially during the weekend. So I bought this adjustment. It's for the camber adjustment on GMC truck, camber and caster adjustment. So the curve here is pretty much perfect, but there's a little lip on it, which is not ideal. So it's kind of a smushed at the end. It's smushed together because it's a stamping. So it fits good on the gear. Doesn't move on the gear because that's the part that I'm not mashing, but almost. If I put it on the gear, it's fine. It doesn't move on the gear, but it moves a little bit on the shaft, which I don't like. So since this one took 5 minutes to make, I'll make another one with 10 minutes, and it should be perfect because I'm gonna cut all sides of it. So I'm just gonna cut this. This is the shape of my original one. Of course, the new one's gonna be flat along this edge, and then I'm gonna grind this whole edge perfectly until it fits nicely in there. is, the elusive Woodruff key. Let's try it. Get in a groove over here. Try to slide the gear over. There we go. Oh, it's yeah, it's tight too. That's perfect. Very minimal stop. There's a tiny bit, but it'll do. Anyways, it's gonna rust in there, so. Let's see if I can push it further. There you go. One axle shaft. Should work. There it is. And I kind of rolled the cotter pin all the way around just to put a little bit of pressure and pull the shaft so that I don't have any slop side to side on the axle. So, and I added a few spacers, so it should be good. So I'm gonna put the covers back on, and an old faithful 1984 Snowblower is gonna be good again. Yeah, I've been using my spare one, but now the spare one had a problem with the carburetor, and the exhaust is starting to fall off. So yeah, guess I fix that one instead. So anyway, thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.